Did you know that if fast travel existed in real life, you'd probably get stuck at work forever? Imagine if you could instantly teleport to any place you've walked to before. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the catch. Just like in video games, you can't fast travel when enemies are nearby. Your angry boss? Enemy. Traffic cop writing you a ticket? Enemy. Your spouse mad about the dishes? Definitely an enemy. Suddenly, everyone's hiring location scouts to unlock new fast travel points for them. These discovery services become a billion-dollar industry overnight. But then there's the loading screens. You're mid-conversation with someone and suddenly freeze for 30 seconds while your teleportation buffers. Awkward. Tourism explodes because you can instantly return to that perfect beach in Thailand. But fast travel addicts emerge, people who never walk anywhere anymore, missing every journey between destinations. The worst part? You'd spend weekends grinding to unlock every subway station and street corner, just like collecting map markers in an open-world game. Reality with game mechanics isn't as fun as it sounds.